All right, welcome back everyone for another deep dive. Today, we're going full crypto.
Oh, yeah.
We're going to be talking all about XRP and this really fascinating new stablecoin, RLUSD.
Cool.
So we found this article that piqued our interest. And
Yeah.
we're going to be kind of diving into that today and seeing if this new stablecoin could actually be a tether killer.
Yeah, I mean, that's a big first, right? I mean, Tether's been king of the mountain for so long.
Right.
But yeah, I mean, anything's possible in crypto, right?
Exactly.
Yeah.
So let's talk about RLUSD. Like, what is it?
Okay, so RLUSD, it's designed to be a stablecoin, just like Tether, pegged to the US dollar.
Okay.
But what's interesting is how they're planning to achieve that stability.
Okay.
They're talking about backing it with short-term cash equivalents and fiat cash reserves.
Okay, wait, what does that even mean?
So you know how a lot of stablecoins say they're pegged to the dollar, right?
Right.
But the way they actually do that can be all over the place. Some rely on these really complex algorithms, which, let's be honest, can get a little sketchy when the market's going crazy.
Yeah.
RLUSD is going for a more, how do I put this, a more old school approach.
Okay.
They want to back their value with assets that are like rock solid safe and easy to turn into cash. Like, that's the key. Think about things like treasury bills or super short-term bonds.
Okay.
These things, they mature quickly. So if they need to get cash fast, boom, they can.
I see.
Which means, ideally, RLUSD can always be redeemed one-to-one for a US dollar.
So it's like a stable coin with training wheels.
Uh-huh.
Got it. All right, so now let's talk about the XRP connection, because the article mentions this thing about RLUSD transactions using the XRP Ledger
Right.
and an XRP sidechain.
Right.
What's that all about?
Okay, so think of it this way.
Okay.
XRP is like the fuel that makes the whole RLUSD engine run.
Okay.
Every time you use RLUSD to buy something, send money, whatever, you need a little bit of XRP to pay for that transaction. It's kind of like needing gas for your car.
Got it.
But in this case, it's XRP.
So basically, the more people are using RLUSD, the more demand there's going to be for XRP.
You got it. And you know what that means.
Higher prices, right?
Exactly. Supply and demand, baby.
But wait, there's another piece to this puzzle, right?
Oh, yeah.
This burn mechanism.
Oh, yes.
What's that about?
So with every single RLUSD transaction that happens, a tiny little bit of XRP gets completely obliterated.
Wow.
Gone. Poof.
Yeah.
It's like a tiny bonfire for XRP.
Okay.
And the fewer tokens floating around, the more valuable each one that's left becomes.
So this burn mechanism could really, I mean, this could be huge for XRP.
It's adding fuel to the fire, for sure.
And speaking of fire, XRP has been on a tear recently.
Oh, yeah.
Hitting, what was it, a 7-year high?
7-year high, yep. $2.90 on December 3rd.
It's like the whole crypto world suddenly remembered, oh, yeah, XRP exists.
Yeah, totally.
But, you know, with those kinds of price swings, got to be cautious, right?
Always, always.
The article mentions this thing, the RSI.
Right.
What's that all about?
So the RSI, the Relative Strength Index, it's a tool that traders use to kind of see if an asset is getting a little too hot.
Okay.
Like taking its temperature, you know.
Right.
And when we saw XRP hit that 95 RSI, that was basically a flashing red light saying, whoa, things are getting a little crazy here.
Yeah.
And usually, after a spike like that, you see a correction, a cool down period.
Right, which is what we saw.
Exactly.
Okay, so things might have calmed down a bit since then, but there's still a ton of excitement surrounding XRP.
For sure.
Especially with this whole RLUSD thing possibly taking off.
Yeah, definitely.
And let's not forget, the big question everyone's asking, could this actually take down Tether?
Right. I mean, it's 800-pound gorilla in the stablecoin room.
Because, I mean, right now, XRP's market cap is getting really close to Tether's.
It is. It's getting up there.
So could RLUSD be the thing that finally tips the scales?
I mean, it's definitely possible, but we got to be real here. The crypto market, it's a wild ride.
Oh, absolutely.
So we got to see how RLUSD performs in the real world first.
Okay.
Will people actually use it? Will it be easy to switch back to dollars when you need to? Will it actually stay stable?
Right.
Those are the million-dollar questions.
Yeah, because at the end of the day, it's all about real-world adoption.
That's what makes or breaks a project in this space.
Absolutely. So I guess the big takeaway here is RLUSD, it's a super interesting development.
For sure.
Has the potential to really shake things up. But like with any investment, especially in the crypto world.
Especially crypto, yeah.
Got to be cautious.
Always, always.
So do your own research. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose.
Golden rule.
All the usual disclaimers.
Yeah. Yep.
But it's definitely something to keep an eye on.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah.
I mean, think about this, right? What else, besides just the tech itself, could help or hurt RLUSD?
Ooh, that's a good one.
Yeah. And how could this new player change the whole stablecoin game?
Yeah, that's a great question. Well, on that note, we're going to wrap things up here. So thanks for joining us for another deep dive.
Yeah, thanks, everyone.
We'll catch you next time.
See ya!